A phone break? Yep.
I did it.
Yeah.
But,
it almost broke.
But we only did it the wrong way.
Yes.
We're supposed to put the phone inside. No, not full of it, like half, so the speaker doesn't work. So
yeah.
I'm going to show you what happens, pretty much.
Well, the hole stopped.
Watch this. Throw that up there. Let's get this out first. Puked. All right.
Hey, we're supposed to first fill.
Yeah. Well, how do we put this though? Oh, we make it bigger than the phone.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do this. All right.
I know we said we ran out of balloons, but there was this one balloon lying on the table, and we found it.
What was that? Oh, there's a hole in it. Man, it's just a little hole.
That's what I always say. Oh gosh, you do not know how loud that was in real life. That was like a sonic boom. That was like sonic boom. Holy. Oh. Bye guys.